Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 38. This question is from GATE 2019 examination. Let us read the question. A single phase fully controlled thyristor converter is used to obtain an average voltage of 180 volt with a 10 ampere constant current to feed a DC load. Okay, it is fed from single phase AC supply of 230 volt 50 hertz. Neglect source impedance. The power factor of AC mains is, okay. So it is given that V0 average value of the output voltage is equal to 180 volt, right? And I0 is constant, that is equal to capital I0 is equal to 10 ampere. Okay. Next, it is fed from AC source. Vs is equal to 230 volt, and frequency is given, it is a 50 hertz. Okay. So here, if you check the load current is constant, means the load is a RL load or the RLE load. Okay. So if you check if the load is RL load or the RLE load and it is a single phase fully controlled thyristor. Okay. So how will the waveform of the V0 for continuous conduction, the V0 waveform? Yes, it will be like this. We already discussed this type of waveforms in the video sessions, right? Alpha to pi to pi plus alpha, pi plus alpha to 2. Okay, so alpha, pi, pi plus alpha, and here it is a 2. Okay, like type of waveform will be having. Okay, so during these intervals, V0 is equal to Vs. Okay, V0 is equal. So here, if you check the V0 average for this waveform, yes, we know it is a 2 Vm by pi into cos alpha. Okay, so from this, if you check V0 average is given, it is a 180 volt. Okay, we can write it as 180 is equal to 2 into Vm. Vm is supply voltage, RMS value is 230. So what is the peak value? 230 into root 2 divided by pi into cos alpha. Okay, so from this we can find cos alpha. Okay, so it is equal to 180 into pi divided by 230 into root. Okay, so it is 0.869. Therefore, cos alpha is equal to 0.89. 0.89 is the cos alpha we are having. Okay, but be careful, this is not the power factor of the supply means. Okay, so power factor of the AC means what? It is a supply power factor they have asked. Okay, as we know in the video sessions only we have discussed if the load is RL load or the RLE load, okay, then the power factor, yes, input power factor, right? Input power factor, yes, is equal to what? It is a zero point 0.9 into cos alpha. We already derived these expressions. Okay, 0.9 into cos alpha. Okay, so it is like a displacement factor into distortion power factor. Okay, so it is equal to 0.9 into cos alpha. It is a 0.869. Okay, so if you check, it is 0.9 into 0.869. 0.9 into 0.86. It is a 0.78. 0.70 is the input power factor or the power factor of supply means. Okay, or AC means we can say. Okay, so correct answer is 0.78. 0.78 is clear. Okay, so this is a zero point 0.9 into cos alpha. Okay, for single phase bridge rectifiers. Okay, or in general, if the load is RL load or RLE load, yes, we have written power factor, input power factor is the product of, yes, distortion factor into displacement power factor, DPF. Okay, into DF. Okay, so we are having this. From this we can write it is equal to 0.78. This is about the question number 38. In the next video, we'll discuss about question number 39. Thank you.